What'd you get from your Aunt Carrie, Sienna? Why don't you open it up? Why don't you open it? Yeah! What is it? Is it a card? Why don't you open it? Want me to help you? Look right here. I'm gonna help you. Just for you, little lady. Look. Yeah! What does it say? What does it say?
What was it?
I'm taping right now. Sienna's opening her card. What, Sienna? Let me read it to you. Wow! Look, Sienna. Because today is special and you're special too, have a happy first birthday! Why don't you read this? Open this, Sienna. Open this. Here, look. Open that. Open that, Sienna. Open it. Open it up. Open it up. Yeah, you like the card, right? Yeah. Yeah. She said yeah. Can you open that? Look, Sienna. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. Norm, hold it up to her so we can send it to Carrie.